It's Jason with Rivers West. I'll shut this off in a minute, but I wanted you to hear it and see it running. Mobark Beaver M6R. Let me go ahead and shut her down. Here unit, like I say, it's a 2014 year model, and it's got a 13.7 hours on it, and Kohler 27 horse Command Pro. It's got I think it's a 6-inch up to 6-inch material is what you can feed into it. It's got power feed. Anyways, you can do a little homework on it, but this is a very lightly used machine. Runs good, sounds good. It's got a burst for the feed wheels. Yeah, there you go. If you're needing to do some fire mitigation at your property, this would be one hell of a unit to have. So, selling July 22nd in auction barn number 20. Coming right up.